Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mishra and today welcome back in the part 2 of the Earth and other planets. So last time, actually sorry that's so delayed. I have launched this well with you, but now let's start with the inner planets. Last time I left on the inner planets. So let's start with them. The inner planets are the four that are the closest to the Sun. They have shorter orbits and so they have the shorter orbits than the outer planets. They are also known as the terrestrial planets. So what are they known as? The second name. The second name is what? The second name is terrestrial planets. And the sequence, Mercury, it is the closest planet to the Sun. It is at the first position. Then comes the second position of Venus, third position of the Earth, and fourth position of the Mars. Then we have a gap of many light years, which is very, very far away. And then we have the outer planets. So this is the sequence of them. Now let us learn about them in detail. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the smallest planet in our solar system. Not only that, it is a terrestrial planet and it has lots of craters like the moons. It is hot during the day and very cold during the night. 1 year on Mercury consists of 88 Earth days. Temperature there is 170 degrees to 427 degrees Celsius. It's very, very hot. And it has no moons. Now let's come to Venus. The Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It has similar size of Earth. It is the terrestrial planet. It rotates in opposite direction, like the rotation done by Venus is in the opposite direction, not from west to east, but from east to west. It is hot and deadly. It's very hot, very, very, very hot and deadly. It has 1 year on Venus consists of 225 Earth days. The temperature here is 462 degrees Celsius. And Venus too has no moons. Now comes the turn of our Earth, our lovely, beloved Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. It is the fifth largest planet. It is the terrestrial planet. It supports life with air, water, and land. And so, this is the specialty, and that's why it is known as the unique planet. It consists of oceans, continents, atmosphere. 1 year here is of 365 and 104th day. 1 day here consists of 24 Earth hours. Temperature here is from 87 to 57 degrees Celsius. It has minus 87 to 57 degrees Celsius. 1 moon. It has only 1 moon. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It has the smaller planet. It has the smaller size from the Earth, so it is the smaller planet than the Earth. It is the terrestrial planet. Mars is rocky, dusty, and dry. Mars has polar ice caps like Earth. 1 year in Mars is consisting of 687 Earth days. 1 day here is of 24 Earth hours and also 37 minutes. Temperature here goes from 214 to 5 degrees Celsius. It's quite cold. It has two moons, and those are known as Phobos and Deimos. Now comes the turn of the outer planets. The outer planets are the five that are the furthest from the Sun. They have longer orbits than the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called gas giants, so the second name for them is gas giants. Yeah, let's learn about them. It is the fifth planet from the Sun, Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas planet. It has windy clouds of ammonia and water. It means, in other words, we can say that these clouds are made of the molecules of ammonia and water. It has a red spot. 1 year here consists of 4,331 Earth days, or in other words, we can say that 1 year on Jupiter consists of 12 Earth years. 1 day here consists of 9 Earth hours and 56 minutes. Temperature here is minus 148 degrees Celsius, very cold. Temperature, we've learned, and it has 67 moons, and out of them there are 4 large moons. Saturn comes. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet, but it is very light. It is a gas planet and similar to Jupiter. It has 7 flat rings made up of ice, rocks, and dust. 1 year here consists of 10,759 Earth days. Or in other words, we can say that 1 year on Saturn consists of 29 Earth days. 1 day here consists of 10 Earth hours and 39 minutes. Temperature here is minus 178 degrees Celsius, very cold. And it has 150 moons. And the largest moon of Saturn is Titan. And this was the part 2 of the thing. Now comes the thing of Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the 3rd largest planet. It is a gas planet and its ice is similar to Neptune. It is very cold and windy, and 1 year here is made up of 40,687 Earth days, or you can say that it has 84 Earth days. Oh my god. And here you can see Uranus, it has 1 day which is made up of 17 Earth hours and 15 minutes. Temperature here is minus 216 degrees Celsius. And it has 27 moons, and the largest moons of Uranus are Oberon and Titania. Comes the turn of the last planet, last and more farthest planet from the Sun, which is the Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the Sun. It is the 4th largest planet. It is a gas planet and is icy. You can see the image also, it's looking icy. And it is the windiest planet in the solar system. So do you knew that it is the windiest planet? 1 year here makes up of 60,190 Earth days, or 165 Earth years. So 1 day is made up of 16 Earth hours and 7 minutes. Temperature. It is very, very, very cold, which is minus 214 degrees Celsius. And it has 13 moons, and the largest moon on Neptune is Triton. Now comes the Earth. The Earth rotates from west to east, which is why the Sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. East and west directions, you can see. How does the Sun appear to move across the sky during the day? So you know that this Actually, the sun never moves, but as we revolve around it, we see that it is moving because the earth spins. The sun moves across the sky. Known as when the sun is highest in the sky. Thank you, everyone. Meet in the next video, and I'm really sorry that I brought this so late. But thank you very much for watching.